Want to build your first affiliate income stream in just 30 days? Here's a simple step-by-step plan to get you there. Many people dream of earning money online, but the path often seems complicated, overwhelming, filled with confusing jargon. This guide is different. It's designed to cut through the noise and provide a clear, actionable daily plan that anyone can follow. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to construct a solid working system from the ground up. By the end of this 30-day challenge, you will have a piece of content online, affiliate links ready to earn, a strategy to attract visitors, a method for tracking what works. This is about building a real asset. This essay will guide you day by day, breaking down the entire process into small, manageable tasks. Before we dive into the daily tasks, let's clarify what affiliate marketing truly is. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple and powerful concept. You earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, you earn a piece of the profit for each sale you make. You don't have to worry about creating products. Managing inventory isn't your job, or handling customer support. Your primary job is to be a trusted guide. You connect people who have a problem with a product that offers a solution. It's an excellent way to start earning online without a huge upfront investment. The most crucial tool for this 30-day journey is the right mindset. You can absolutely do this in 30 days, but it requires a commitment to consistent, daily action. The first week is all about laying a strong foundation for the work to come. On day 1, your task is to pick a topic also known as a niche. Choose one small, specific topic that you are genuinely interested in or know something about. Cold brew coffee techniques, minimalist travel gear tools for beginner gardeners. The key is to select a topic you can talk about for weeks and months to come. Think about the problems people in this niche face and how you might help solve them. A narrow focus is better than a broad one. Beginner-friendly indoor plants targets a specific audience more effectively. With your topic chosen, day 2 is dedicated to finding and defining your audience. Who are the people you want to reach with your content? College students on a budget, busy parents looking for quick meal solutions, retirees exploring a new hobby? Try to write a single, clear sentence that describes your ideal audience member. For example, I am helping young professionals who work from home create a more organized and productive desk setup. This sentence will become your guiding star, influencing tone, style, and product choices. Everything you create should speak directly to this person. On day 3, it's time to choose your primary content platform. We will focus on creating a 10-minute YouTube video. For this, your platform is YouTube planned for standard 16:9 video format. This decision dictates the type of content and how you present it. Video lets you demonstrate products, show personality, build stronger viewer connection, ideal for affiliate promotions. On day 4, create your YouTube channel. Pick a simple, memorable name related to your niche. Create a clean logo and channel banner. With your foundation set, week 2 is all about creation. Your task for day 8 is to script your first video. Don't worry about making it perfect, just get the main ideas down. Write a short script using simple language and short sentences, as if you were explaining something to a friend. Start with a strong hook to grab attention. Want to build your first affiliate income stream in just 30 days? Then, briefly outline what you will be showing your audience in the video, setting clear expectations from the very beginning. On day 9, focus on crafting a brief and effective intro and outro for your video. Your intro should be no more than 10 to 15 seconds long and should quickly reiterate the promise of your hook. Your outro should include a clear call to action, CTA. For this plan, your CTA is: subscribe now for more 30-day challenges to help you boost your affiliate marketing journey. Practice saying it in a friendly, direct, and encouraging tone. Day 10 is filming day. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A modern smartphone is more than capable of recording high-quality video. The most important elements are good lighting and clear sound. Film near a window for natural light and make sure you are in a quiet room to avoid distracting background noise. If you are hiring a narrator, ensure they use a clear American female voice as specified. Your goal is to record the main message you scripted, including the parts where you will mention or demonstrate the affiliate products you have chosen. Be yourself and speak with confidence about the value you are providing. The rest of the week is dedicated to post-production. On day 11, focus on the product review segment. When you talk about a product, be honest and authentic. Show how it solves a specific problem for your audience. Mention a key benefit. Mention a minor downside. That balance comes across as more genuine and builds significant trust. On day 12, Add word-by-word subtitles. On day 13, edit your video. Cut out any long pauses or mistakes to keep the pace engaging. Add simple text overlays for key points and select some background music from the royalty-free YouTube audio library. Finally, on day 14, upload the video to your channel. Write a clear and searchable title. Add your affiliate links in the description and design a compelling thumbnail. Section 5, Week 3, Generating Traffic and Outreach, Days 15-21. Your content is now live, but the work isn't done. An amazing video is useless if no one sees it. Week 3 is entirely focused on generating traffic and getting your content in front of your target audience. Day 15, share your video on personal social profiles, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Don't just post the link. Write a short, compelling note explaining the video and why it's valuable. Ask a question to encourage engagement. Ever thought about earning money online? I just created a 30-day plan to get started. Day 16. Create a short promotional clip from your main video. Make it 30-60 seconds, highlighting the most interesting part. Add bold, easy-to-read captions. Many watch with sound off. End with a clear call to action to watch the full video on YouTube. Use short clips as Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Stories. These short clips act as powerful ads, funneling viewers back to your affiliate links. Day 17. Go beyond your social circles. Find communities where your audience hangs out. Facebook groups, Reddit subreddits, niche forums. Don't spam links. Participate, answer questions, and be genuinely helpful. Share your video only when it directly solves someone's problem. Day 18. Send a personal email or message to trusted friends asking them to watch and share. Early engagement helps the YouTube algorithm. Day 19. Write a short blog post answering a common question. Embed your YouTube video. Include your affiliate links in the post. Day 20. Reach out to another small creator for collaboration or shoutout. Day 21. Track results with simple tools like YouTube Analytics. That's the plan for week 3. The final week of your 30-day challenge is all about analyzing what you've done. It's about optimizing your efforts and starting the process of scaling. On day 22, it's time to check what worked. Dive into your YouTube Analytics. Look at key metrics like audience retention. Which parts of your video kept viewers watching? And where did they drop off? Also, check your affiliate dashboard to see which links received clicks. This data is pure gold. It tells you exactly what your audience is interested in. Based on your findings, day 23 is for optimization. Small changes can make a big difference. If your video's click-through rate is low, try improving the title and thumbnail. Design one new thumbnail that's brighter. Make a thumbnail with clearer text, or use a more compelling image. Test a new title that clearly communicates the benefit. For example, instead of My Affiliate Marketing Plan, try Earn Your First $100 Online with this 30-day plan. A/B testing these elements is a fundamental skill. Now's the time to start practicing it. On day 24, it's time to add more content. Using the same model you've just proven, create 2 more pieces of content. Create 2 more short videos, or write additional blog posts. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Recycle your best ideas, or go deeper on a subtopic. Consistency is key to building an audience and authority. By creating more content, you provide more value. You create more opportunities for people to find you. And you give yourself more chances to place your affiliate links in front of interested viewers. This is how you begin to scale your efforts. On day 25, create a YouTube playlist to group related videos. On day 26, go through your comments and thoughtfully answer every question. On day 27, consider running a small ad campaign to boost your best performing video. On day 28, review your tracking. On day 29, create a content plan for the next month. On day 30, celebrate your progress. You have successfully built a complete affiliate marketing system from scratch. While content and traffic are essential, the true secret sauce of sustainable affiliate marketing lies in 2 things: unwavering honesty and meticulous tracking. Without trust, you will never build a loyal audience that acts on your recommendations. The quickest way to build this trust is to be completely transparent. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links. FYI, some of the links below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This honesty shows respect for your audience. Your recommendations must be truthful and genuinely helpful. Never promote a product you don't believe in just for the sake of a commission. The best promotions come from a place of authentic experience. Show how the product helps real people solve real problems. Talk about its strengths and its weaknesses or limitations. An honest, balanced review beats a one-sided sales pitch. In the long run, your reputation is your most valuable currency. Protect it by being a trustworthy resource. The second key ingredient is tracking. If you don't track your results, you are flying blind. You will have no idea what is working, what is failing, and where you should focus your efforts. The process can be incredibly simple. Create a basic spreadsheet with columns for the date, the content piece, clicks, sales, and earnings. Set aside one day each week to update this sheet by checking affiliate dashboards and analytics. This simple act of tracking reveals powerful insights. You might discover a product you briefly mentioned gets more clicks than the one you featured. You might find a specific traffic source, like a Facebook group, drives most sales. This data lets you double down on what works and stop wasting time on what doesn't. Tracking turns guesswork into a data-driven business and lets you grow methodically. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, it's just as important to know what not to do. Many beginners make a few common mistakes that can slow their progress or even stop it completely. One of the most frequent errors is promoting too many products at once. When your content is stuffed with dozens of different affiliate links, it feels overwhelming and salesy. Instead of helping, it creates confusion. Focus on a small, curated selection of 2 to 4 high-quality products you can discuss in depth. This builds more trust and leads to better conversion rates. Another major pitfall: failing to disclose your affiliate relationships. Some new marketers hide affiliate links, fearing disclosure will scare clicks away. In reality, the opposite is true. Hiding affiliate status is deceptive and destroys trust. It's against most affiliate terms of service and can violate regulations. Always be upfront and transparent. Many beginners create long, rambling content with no clear message or call to action. A 20-minute video that takes 15 minutes to get to the point will lose viewers. Respect your audience's time. Structure content tightly. Start with a strong hook. Deliver your main points clearly and concisely. End with a specific call to action. Every piece of content should have one clear purpose: educate, solve a problem, review a product. Finally, don't skip tracking and review. If you never analyze results, you won't learn what's effective. You might waste effort on traffic with 0 clicks or formats your audience doesn't like. Tracking, gathering intelligence, not just counting money. Review analytics weekly and update your tracking sheet. That's how you systematically improve and grow your affiliate income over time. Congratulations on completing the 30-day challenge. You have successfully built a functional affiliate marketing engine from the ground up. You have chosen a niche. You created valuable content. You generated traffic. You started tracking your results. This is a massive accomplishment. The journey does not end here. This first month was about building the system. The months that follow are about running, refining, scaling that system. Your primary goal now is to maintain consistency. Build upon the momentum you have created. Continue the weekly rhythm. Creating, promoting, analyzing. Use your content plan as the guide for the next 30 days. Revisit the ideas you brainstormed in week 1. Start working on your next piece of content. Pay close attention to the feedback you received in the first month. What questions did your audience ask in the comments? What topics generated the most interest? Use that feedback to create more targeted, helpful content. Now double down on what works. If a product is performing exceptionally well, create a dedicated review video. If a content type resonates, make more of it. Data-driven choices help you work smarter, not just harder. This 30-day plan is a repeatable blueprint for starting new affiliate projects. You now have the skills and experience to do it again. Keep it simple. Take one step each day. Use the tools and strategies outlined. Always be honest with your audience. Track what works and repeat your successes. The path to passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. You have completed the most important first mile. Keep going. Stay consistent. Watch your efforts compound over time. Did this video light a fire under your affiliate marketing hustle? Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic tips to boost your earnings. Have a question or an excellent win to share? Drop it in the comments. We're here to celebrate your success and keep the momentum going.